Welcome to Ridge Life. I'm Tim, and today we're going to cook something special for you. We call this on the Ridge deer sausage pie. Some may call it venison quiche. This is a really simple recipe to make this deer sausage pie. First off, you start off with some deer sausage. This is a breakfast sausage. It's a mild, not too spicy. You want a Pillsbury pie crust. You can use any brand, but we're use Pillsbury. We've got a cup of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of half and half, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 4 farm fresh eggs. These are actually from the Ridge. We're going to do a 1/4 cup, or 1/4 teaspoon, of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. We're going to do a dash of garlic powder and a couple dashes of minced onion. Now you'll want a mixing bowl, 9-inch glass pie plate, and I've got a pie crust protector to keep it from getting too brown before the quiche is done. That's optional. Our first step is to crack our eggs, put them in our mixing bowl. Again, you see how yellow these yolks are. These are farm fresh eggs from here in the Ridge, and our chicken's free range most of the time, and it sure makes the eggs tasty. We're going to lightly beat these eggs up. Okay, now we're going to add in our cup of half and half, our cup, or 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan, get that again lightly beaten. Okay, I'm going to put my couple dashes, 3 or 4 dashes, 5 or 6 dashes of minced onion. That's the taste. You can use fresh onion too if you want. We don't want too much onion for us. Just a dash of garlic powder. Again, we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I like a little extra salt because I'm a guy. All right, and the pepper should be 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And I like a little extra pepper because I'm a guy. All right, let's get this lightly beaten up here. Oh, it smells wonderful, everybody. Okay. Just get that lightly mixed up. Oh, that smells so good. Make sure there's no chunks in it. Make sure your Parmesan's not chunked up. Oh yeah, there we go. Once we have this mixed up properly, we're just going to set it off to the side. Now it's time to get our pie crust. We're going to line our pie pan. Again, we use Pillsbury. Pillsbury doesn't have to be Pillsbury though. I can do this without breaking it. It's not guaranteed. Right, get it all rolled out here. On the edges. Make sure you get it evenly in there. That way you don't have too much hanging over in different spots. No bubbles in the bottom. Make sure all the air pockets are out. Okay. Put your little decorative scallops along the edges. Again, I'm a dude, so it's not going to be perfect. So now we've got our pie crust. So now what we're going to do is we're going to layer our sausage and cheese in the bottom of the pie crust. Let's get our venison sausage here. I got about a little over a cup of venison sausage. You can probably use a little less, but I like a meal to be meaty And because if it doesn't have meat in it, it's not a meal to me. So I'm gonna add a little bit of extra sausage. So let's cut up our sausage. You can crumble it, you can put it into balls, you can put it into cubes. You can, however you want to do this. Again, I like a lot of sausage in it. You do fairly big chunks. Again, this is a mild. You can go with a spicy. We really like spicy, but the kids don't necessarily like the spicy. So this chopped up. Our oven is preheated to 350 behind us, so we will be ready to put this in the oven very shortly. Again, this is a very easy meal to prepare. You can do this with bacon if you like, but staying along with the wildlife theme we like to do here on RidgeLife, this is a venison breakfast sausage. And you can serve this quiche as a breakfast meal, but we're eating it as a dinner because it's just going to be wonderful tasting. So I'm going to put the sausage in the bottom here. I might not be able to get to use it all. I don't want to overload it too much. So we got that right there. That looks beautiful. Everybody can see that. So now what we do is we layer our cheese on top of our sausage. And this is 1 cup of extra sharp cheddar is what I use. You can use Swiss or whatever you like. Make sure we get it all across there evenly. But all you cheese, I like a lot of cheese. There we go. Hope that looks wonderful to everybody. Okay, now it's time to pour on our egg mixture. Again, make sure it's evenly mixed up. Pour it evenly all the way around. Make sure it seeps down into the sausage and the cheese. Should fill it up completely. Make sure there's no areas where there's no egg and mixture. Oh, that looks wonderful. Perfect. Our venison sausage pie is ready to go in the oven, or some call it venison quiche. Now, we're going to put it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes, or until a fork can be put in and pulled out clean. Now 15 or 20 minutes into it, we're going to put our silicone crust protector on there if we see our crust getting a little bit too brown before the fork can come out clean. Let's go ahead and get it in the oven. About 40 or 50 minutes until the fork comes out clean. We're going to add our silicone crust protector on now. Let's pull this out. Oh, that's looking wonderful. So we just want to make sure that our crust does not get burned. And this, just lay it around. Don't touch the metal tray up there because it will burn you. So I should have this backwards, shouldn't I? There we go. Just slide that on like that, and that protects it. Slide it on in. Finish cooking. Time to pull out our venison sausage pie. Oh, it looks beautiful. Put it right there. Oh, yes. Take off there. Pulled it out of the oven. And we let it sit for 5 minutes. I think it's ready to cut. I did want to say one thing. If you want to cut down on the grease, you can pre-cook your sausage. They give it a little crispiness to the sausage as well, and take a lot of the grease out of it. It's the same thing if you want to do it with bacon. Instead, you pre-crisp your bacon, then you put it in your quiche pan, in your sausage pie pan, and then you cook it. So a little bit less grease and crispy sausage if you pre-cook it. We did not do that this time, but in the future we'll try that as well. Let's cut into it. Alright, our first piece, let's see what it looks like. Oh, Look at that, doesn't that look wonderful? Venison Quiche. Deer sausage pie. And Gavin wants us to call it Hunter's Pie, which is a really good name. Doesn't this look wonderful, everyone? We're really going to enjoy it for dinner tonight, and I hope you all enjoyed watching us make it. Please subscribe to our channel to see more, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we produce a new video. So make sure everyone has a wonderful evening, a blessed evening, and go Ridge Life.